Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a question that a lot of you have been asking. How can I hide my following list on Facebook? Whether it's for privacy reasons or just because you want to keep things a bit more personal, we've got you covered. So let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged in into your Facebook account. Once you're in, let's navigate to your profile. Now that we're on your profile, you want to find the Friends tab. It's usually right under your cover photo next to About, Photos, and More. Under the Friends sections, you'll see a few options like All Friends, Recently Added, Birthdays, and importantly, Following. But before we jump into hiding your following list, let's click on the Manage pencil icon right next to the Friends button. In this menu, you'll see different privacy options from your friends list, people you're following, and who can follow you. We're focusing on the following section. Next to following, you'll see a button that probably says public. Click on that. This brings up a menu where you can select who you want to allow to see the people you're following. Your options here are public, friends, and only me, or you can customize it further. If you want to hide your following list from everyone but yourself, select only me. Don't forget to hit close to save your changes. And just like that, you've made your following list private. And that's all there is to it. Hiding your following list on Facebook is a great way to maintain a bit more privacy and control over your online presence.